Good afternoon. Welcome to our jewelry store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need your help. I want to buy a gift for my wife, but I have no idea what to get.
I'd be happy to help. What's the occasion?
It's her birthday.
That's lovely. When is her birthday?
It was yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yes.
Wait, are you telling me you forgot your wife's birthday?
I'm afraid so. Work was so busy that it completely slipped my mind.
Oh no, she must be really upset.
Upset is putting it mildly. She hasn't spoken to me since yesterday.
Well, in that case, I have only one suggestion.
Really? What is it?
Buy her a beautiful diamond necklace.
You think that will help?
It won't erase your mistake, but it might make her smile again.
I hope so.
Now let me show you our most popular diamond necklaces.
Wow, they're all beautiful. Which one would you choose?
This one. It's elegant, timeless, and many customers buy it as an apology gift.
An apology gift? I guess I'm not the first husband to forget a birthday.
Trust me, you're definitely not.
That actually makes me feel a little better.
This classic design never goes out of style.
Then I'll take it. Wow, this is more expensive than I expected.
Forgetting a birthday can be costly.
You're right. If I hadn't forgotten her birthday, this wouldn't have put such a dent in my wallet. Dent in my wallet's meaning it cost me a lot of money.
Would you like a gift box and a birthday card?
Yes, please. I need every bit of help I can get.
I hope she forgives you.
Wish me luck.
Take the quiz on screen, select the correct option, and drop your answer in the comments below.
If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.